how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in today's video we're unboxing this Logitech Combo Touch. This is a keyboard for iPad Pro. So here we have an iPad Pro 4th generation with Apple Pencil, and wanted to get something with the keyboard. Previously I had this case from OtterBox, and this was a great case. It lasted me quite a bit. So decided to get something with the keyboard, and this Logitech one had a lot of good reviews, so I wanted to give it a try and just to see what comes with it, how exactly it is, as compared to others in the market, even the ones that are sold by Apple. So I haven't tried the one from Apple, but this one was very reasonable in price, and wanted to give it a shot and see how that works. This is my work iPad, so wanted to get something with some emails that I can do and things like that, so it will help me for work. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and this is right off the box. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested in buying this one. But once you open it, there's a keyboard right there. There's no plastic packing or anything. It's just open, and which does not bother me, but just looking at this has a textured feeling, so it's looks like fabric kind of material, but it looks like it's cleanable. So on the sides, it seems like it's matted together, so it's pretty good quality. I'm kind of surprised with the quality stuff that they have in there. Okay, so this is the backing. So this is Logi, and this is the charging thing, I believe. That's because of this. So let's go ahead and put our iPad in there. Alright, so I'm going to put my Apple Pencil right here, and connect it, or put it inside. So here seems like, I don't know what that is, but okay, so there is some kind of packing. There was. I'm surprised. But other than that, there was nothing I saw. So once you put it in there, it's pretty nice and snug, and perfect fitting. The buttons, they feel pretty good, so it's not like I'm forcing anything in. Very amazed with the quality that it has. All right, so now let's see where does the keyboard go. I believe right here. So there you go. It just sticks on, so you can remove it or do whatever you want. It does come with some instruction, so we did it without instruction, but if you need instructions, it's in the box. Nothing else is in the box, and it is a backlit keyboard. High precision, click anywhere trackpad, and that's one of the reasons I got it, for the trackpad reason, because I do need that for my work. Smart connector, no charging or pairing, so that's good. You don't need to worry about charging the iPad keyboard. So it's once you charge the iPad, it charges the keyboard itself, or it's connected with the iPad battery. Not sure. It does have a detachable keyboard. We saw full row of iPad. OS shortcuts, okay, adjustable viewing angles, and the space to charge Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So okay, so this is a 2nd generation Apple Pencil, so I can also charge my Apple Pencil. It seems like it goes right here, so there it is. So overall, I think I'm liking this. I just need to get used to it. Where's the keyboard? So this part is the keyboard, and this part is the iPad. So I guess once you're opening it, you just drop it down like right from here, and this is the adjustable support. So here it is. Okay, so it seems like once you connect it, it tells you that the accessory is not connected. So I'm just going to go to App Store, and there is the app. Okay, so allow the Bluetooth. Okay, I don't want to get notifications, but let's see what it says. Your keyboard is up to date. Okay, so this is it's kind of hard to read, but that's what it says. Your keyboard is up to date. And let's see. Yeah, it works good. Alright, so it seems like it's working good. Now, as far as the mouse is concerned, there's the mouse, so I can click on it. So I don't see it working with the touch, but once you press it, it works. So it might be something in the setting, but anyways, I think I'm overall very happy with this whole thing. You can increase the volume, and you can play music, and this is the brightness, high and low. Well, there's the brightness, and this is the keyboard backlit, so you can change the backlit. But leave it off, if you want to save battery. This is backlit is mainly if you're working at nighttime. And yeah, so I think it's a pretty well-made case, and very happy with my purchase. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description in case if you guys want one, go ahead and pick one, and highly recommend it. So again, thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and see you guys later. Thanks, and please subscribe to my channel.